Hello sir, today we are talk about the topic is recycle the principle of working from whole to path in surveying. Introduction. The principle of working from whole to path is a fundamental concept in surveying that assume the preventing the accumulation of error to interact that a surveying should first establish and principal control network over the entire area before the small parts of with the farmer purpose. The main purpose is to maintain the assumed to error during surveying work. It ensures that the mistake is smaller measurement do not affect the area. It provides this store a assume base from future definite work. The method helps surveying achieve high accuracy and relatable in result. Objective. The principle of working from whole to path a fundamental control in surveying that properties overall assume the error control. It determines that the survey you must first establish a board high accurate can farmer and process to fill the smaller, more details measurement within that farmer. Working from whole path, establish principal control point. The entire area convert with a few prime control point who position are determined using high principal instruction. Central a large farmer, large triangle or other geometric space are formed between those primary control points to control a principal overall. Uh, divide a file in details the large triangles and that susceptible to small secondary and tertiary triangles in fill the gaps. Principle. Control a logic error that step-by-step process located and any measurement error to the smaller section so they do not progress and effective the ensure surveying accurate fundamental and retained working the complete farmer providing the accurate farm and local survey classification of survey land survey engineering survey main survey environmental survey. Land survey the most common type they measure a map land surface and establish properties boundaries. Engineering survey condition surveys and engineering projects like highway bridge and buildings often before after condition. Mining survey specific to underground and open pits to estimate measurement and ensure safety. Environmental survey force and environmental impact often it construction with plan and self. Benefits of surveying. The benefit the main because surveying a plane surveying from small area ignore earth cultural the geodetic surveys from accuracy of earth. Definition of principle. The principle of working from whole to part is a fundamental controllers in surveying. It measures that large farms or main control points are first established accuracy. Small and detailed part that measure the reference to main farmer. It approximately help in keeping the entire surveying under control to consist. Main area the whole reflect to the main control points network established first. The part reflect small areas are defined point measured. The makes the surveying organized and easy to check correct is need. Accuracy. The accuracy of surveying depends on how we main control farm work. Once to whole measure accuracy that small part can be established fixed error to located and do not space occurs to project area. Error control. Small error is defined work remain limited to that small portion only. Error do not propagate to the large farming to the survey. The method providing a way to check a control measure easily the large and high level confidence in the final data. Application of triangulation. In the application of triangles, large triangle are formed between wall selected control point. The large triangle respect the whole to surveying network. Inside term, small triangles are measured to part. It ensures both accuracy and efficiency conversing large area. And then application of traversing. A main traversing is line established first with generate accuracy. From this line sustainable from because travels and take details. They help maintain process control over determine and destination. Error is small traversing do not disturb main travels from work. Advantage. Reducing the check of large error specifying over the whole survey. Make it ensure is determined to correct small measurement mistake. Product and systematic and relatable wave performance surveying ensure better assume and consideration in the final mapping result. Disadvantage. Disadvantage. Establish the main control network. The whole require high and particles may not be easy to burying. It often involved more time and cost at the bearing signs to instrument. Error the main from can affecting all the determined work that maintaining character. It rough to in service setting up control point accurate can be changing at a time constant. Conclusion. The principle of working from whole part and fundamental and relatable approximate in surveying. It helps in accuracy, generate accuracy, property, control and consulting in all measurement. Those they may require maintenance it providing large scale. Overall, the principle of ensuring accumulation determined in the working principle. Thank you.